Hi people, it's Nery again. I just want to show you the immense amount of aloe vera that I have. This is grandma. Yep. And then, as you can see here, there are, I don't know how many, too many, I haven't even counted. 4, and 4 is 8, 9, 10 here. Okay, there's 10 here, one there is 11. Then, it doesn't stop here. We have more right here. 2 of these little ones already giving birth, and I gotten some small ones like that one right there, 2 babies. There was another baby. Okay, this one. Oh, this one too. So this one is the mother of a few of them. And this one right here is the mother of the other one. So they've been giving birth. The strangest thing is that this one is supposed to be as big as them, but look how small it is. I don't know what happened to this one, but it grew like the leaves super wide, not, thin like this. And they're roundish up here. So I don't know what's going on with that plant. Parents from another kind. Maybe it's mixed. So I don't know. I really don't know. But I'm gonna keep her. Then I got the basils right here. Right there. I got these that are, how you call it? They in water because they haven't thrown out their roots. And here I have 2, 4, 5, but that's not the end of it. You got 6 here, 5, and 2 is 7. Excuse me, 7. And I have 2 over there, which is 7, 9. Okay, right there. They're babies. They're growing. And I also have some more over here. 2 more. How much I said it was? 8? I think I said 8. So this will be 10. Yes, 10. I think these 2 are together, and that one is 1. So either it's 10 or 11. I don't know if these 2 are together. Yeah, I think they are, because I move and they both move. So I think they are together. So they're growing perfectly. I want to show you one last thing before I change my conversation. Look at that. This is a strawberry that it was dying completely. I replanted it. I tell the people, when you see that you buy a plant and it's dying, replant it. Take all that from the roots and change it. That's what I did, and look how beautiful. I did that with this one, with my basil, and look how beautiful it was. It wasn't like that. If you see the old videos when we first bought it, it was one little long string and a couple of little flowers on the top. Yellowish. Now you can see it's nice and green, and they're working and they growing babies over here. So as they grow over here, I'll be cutting from up here and making some more. The other thing I wanted to say is that I had a breakdown. I had a breakdown last week, and I don't normally get breakdowns, but I had it this time. And I did a video. And I think I'm going to show it because, everybody probably thinks I'm a happy-go-lucky woman. Yay! Nah, not really. I am a happy woman. I am. But there's times that things makes you sad. Like, I want you guys to pray for my mother. And I had my condition. And you're going to see everything that disabled goes through. How from happiness and it could go down in tears. In tears. I'm going to show this video now because I didn't want to show it then, because I got a wheelchair. Thank God that every time I go out, somebody says, do you need a wheelchair? I take it. I had, the first one broke, I still had 2 more. But the other one, I didn't like it because, it was hard for me to go in and out. But the third one works okay. It works as the same, almost the same. It's a little lower, but it works almost the same as the one I had. So until meantime, I'll be using this one. And if this one breaks, I'm going to have to use the other one. So, you know. But I didn't want people to think that I was asking for money and that, you know, I'm using the poor nery stuff. No, I'm not that type, you know. So I just want to show it to you. And after this video that I already did on my board, all the positive side, now I'm gonna show. Oh, look at that flower! Ain't that nice? Now I'm gonna show unite this video with the other video, and you could see what happened. Hi people, this is Nettie. Okay, I want to say something that is a little emotional. You see people that has everything. They walk, they could go to work, they could do everything, and so much that they complain, so much. Now, you take a disabled, is exactly that. You have limits to do things. Limits that things happen to you, you can't solve it, you know, and things like that. I tell you people, look, if you have your health, your kids have their health, give thanks to God. Give thanks to God. Because a lot of people don't have health, you know, and a lot of people have lots of pain at times. You know me, I am always a happy-go-lucky girl, but there's times that my condition really, really puts me down, you know, and I don't know, I don't know, I'm feeling so depressed, and I haven't wanted to take no pills. You know, I take a PM, it calms my nerves down, and it takes my pains away and all that, but there's pains that is not taken out just by taking a pill, you know. My husband tried to console me. It's just that I'm having problems with my wheelchair, and that's my legs, you know, that's my legs. And well, I just want you people to thank God for what you have, you know. Thank God. I thank God every day for what I have, but there's times that you need your mobility. I cannot be locked up with, you know, I do have a wheelchair now, you know, but anyway, I just want you to know God is good either way, you know, and I know He's going to take the pain away. I know He is. And I just tell people, thank for what you have. Even if it's a little bit, even if it's a lot, thank God for what you have. Because other people don't have maybe what you have. And other people may not have what I have. I know that there's people worse than me, you know. But it doesn't take the pain away. Just like that, you know. So, just, you know, just praise God in all times and thank God for what you have, little or a lot. I'm thanking God even though I'm crying, you know. So, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.